for the people that say filling up gas is fast and charging vehicles, you have a long line that you gotta wait in. Look at this. I mean, obviously you can go to one that costs way more. You can do the same thing for charging an EV. You can charge at home, you can charge at a way more expensive one that no one else wants to go to. It's your choice. But look, for reals, if you're waiting, you're gonna be sitting for a very long time, you see? Look, and this one you actually gotta just sit here. With the Teslas, the app, it shows you how long approximately you're gonna have to wait. It shows you how many other vehicles are en route, how long you're gonna have to charge, how long other people are gonna be before you can get a spot. It's so much better, so much more convenient. This, look, sitting here. And I only just started recording. I was sitting here already for quite a while. I need to fill a couple gas cans. So, yeah. Look, we're still here. It's probably been already more than 15-20 minutes. How much gas do these people need?